Alright, now lay all your parts out. So for every one of those, you want to put one of those. Okay. Okay, now that one goes there. Okay, we're going to use this with these. Those ones and that. Okay, those ones right there. Those ones there go right in here. When you're putting these legs up, you want to have one on the left side with the indent there, and then on this side you want to have one right there, no indent. Next we're going to use this spring loading tool to stretch the trampoline just like this. Okay, so you want to hook one end to there, and then with this tool here right there is just pull that. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to go one here and here, and then here and here and here and here. Now go ahead and unfold your trampoline there, and you're going to want to establish a spot where it's 0 straight across. So this is going to be our 0. Zero, 36. So 0, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Alright, this is at hole number 18. Right there. I already pushed it, yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Go. Wait, isn't it when it's green?
It's this one here.
Is it when it's green or red?
Oh, we could be off on that too. Okay, hold on. Let me see. So bring this down here and then tie it behind there. So that side's going to go like that, and that side's going to go around there. And this side just gets tied right to there. Okay, that one there, that's those ones, so we're going to put one there and there. Now here's our gap here. There are holes. Okay, then we're going to put those and those, which is this one, those, and then that. Alright, here's the setup on that. The bolt, so the indented hole right there, and the indented hole on that one's on that side. Okay, and you got that there, right there. So you got to do the same thing for down here, right there. Go ahead and fasten this together. So all that was look at that. Alright, before you attach it up there, make sure you attach it here and on the other side. Now you can go ahead and secure it to the top. So now these caps go on the bottom of this here. Alright, you just want to take this and get it out. You're going to want to go in through here, down through there, down through there,